welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today we are going to be talking about my August favorites. Every month I always say I cannot believe that the month is over and like we're going into September. That just blows my mind. So if you're interested in hearing what I've been loving this month, then just keep watching. So first off, I want to start out with some of the products that I have on my face today. I did create this look over on Instagram. So if you want to see how I created it, then head over there. It's at beautybykaylak. I want to start out with what I'm wearing on my eyes. When this palette came out, I really did want it, but I was like, just wait and here's some reviews. The reviews are kind of mixed, but only because it looks apparently similar to some of the other palettes from this brand. But from what I heard about the quality of it, I was like, you know what, just pick it up. And it is this Mcgrath Moonlit Seduction Mothership palette. That was really hard to get out for some reason. Here it is. I actually don't own any of the other Mothership palettes from Mcgrath. I have two of her holiday palettes. I have like the Bridgerton palette and a couple other ones, but I don't own any of these Mothership palettes. So for me, this color story was just beautiful. And I have been reaching for this every single day since I got it, even just to take one of the shades and pop it on my lid for work. I think it was in Michelle Wong's video, which I will link down below, but she just said it's very like everyday appropriate, just with like an extra pop. Any of these shades can just be used all over your eye. And of course, I mean, in typical Mcgrath fashion, all of the mattes are super blendable. The shimmers are super beautiful. This duochrome, which I have all over my lid, is just like to die for. So I mean, I have really been loving this. I don't have any of her other palettes, Mothership palettes, so this is special to me, and I'm really, really glad to have it in my collection. I did hear that these two like special shades aren't like her typical special shades. Those are more of like a baked formula, but these are more of like a pressed creamy kind of formula, which I actually like. So I took this shade down here, which I think is called like Lilac Astral, and I just kind of tapped that in the center of my lid and brought it up to my brow bone. And I mean, I basically have no fallout, which I feel like with some of her other special shades, just from, you know, the palettes that I do have, there is some fallout. So I really like it. I think it's really beautiful, and I have been using it, I'm not kidding, every single day since I've gotten it. So this product is fairly new, but it has easily moved into my favorites. It's what I'm wearing on my face today, and it is this Westman Atelier Vital Skincare Complexion Drops. I did a full review of this on Tuesday. It's what I'm wearing on my face today, and oh my gosh, y'all, I was really, really excited for this launch. I don't know why, but just something about it, I was so excited. So I was like, okay, I don't want to be let down, and I was not. Like, you see this glow, okay, and in wearing it, it's like it's one of those that kind of gets better throughout the day the longer that you wear it. It's touted as like a skincare, but it's not like so juicy or so dewy. It almost just kind of like, I don't want to say sets down because that makes it sound like it's going to be matte or satin, but it just like becomes one with your skin and sets down to where I feel like other maybe skincare type foundations can maybe look greasier throughout the day or more dewy, but this one just kind of looks like your skin, and I don't know, I love it. I think it's really beautiful, and this combined with her foundation stick in like places where you want to add a little bit more coverage, it's just really, really beautiful, and it did not let me down. Like, as much as I was excited about this product, I was like, oh gosh, I hope it's good. It is very, very good. You don't need a lot, which is crazy. You need like 3 drops, which is what they say, and it pretty much provides like a good medium coverage. So I've really been loving it. Like I said, I know it's pretty new, but I'm putting it in my favorites this month because I've been using it like the ballot every single day since I've gotten it. It's really beautiful. So also from Westman Atelier, I finally picked up one of her super loaded tinted highlights. I got it in the shade Peau de Rose. Ooh, sorry, it's really dirty. I do have this on my cheeks today over her cream blush and petal. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. I mean, I've heard about it for so long, and oh my God, it's like this beautiful cream to powder formula, and this shade, it's the lightest one, but on my skin, I've been wearing it every day. It's just like a super, super glowy blush, and I don't know where these have been all my life. Like, I want every single color now. They last all day. They have this really interesting scent. Oh, I don't know, but I like it. I was really shocked, and they're beautiful. The formula, it's beautiful. And again, I haven't had this for that long, and you can see I've already like tore into it. It is beautiful, y'all. The only thing I don't like is there are some pretty decent like glitter, I guess, pieces in it, but like other than that, I don't think the other shades have that as much as this one, so I'll definitely pick up another one. But like I am in love with this product. I haven't been able to stop using it. Where has this been all my life? And if you haven't tried them, like, it's expensive. Pretty much everything from her brand is expensive, but it's, oh my gosh, it's totally worth it. I'm obsessed. Again, I've been using it every single day since I've gotten it. I mean, look at this glow between her Complexion drops and this. I mean, it's just like glowing to the gods. Beautiful, stunning, and I need every shade. The next product, okay, this is gonna sound super crazy, but it's a mascara, but I don't know what it is. So Katie Jane Hughes on her Instagram, which I will link down below, I'm sure you all know her, she's fabulous, did this thing a couple weeks ago where the first 50 people to sign up got this mascara for free. It's yet to be released, so I have no idea. I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. Like, whatever it is, it's gonna become part of my collection. So it's got this like kind of curved brush, okay? And what I like to do is take this side, okay, and go in first to like deposit the product. And then I use this side to kind of separate, and it's not what I'm wearing today, but I did use it over on my Instagram in another reel. It just creates the most beautiful, voluminous, lengthened lashes that I think I have ever had in my life. So whenever I find out what this is, I will put it in a pinned comment down below. I think she's gonna be able to announce it this week what it is, but whatever it is, I will always have it in my collection. So what I like to do is I have the Shantikai Faux Sil's Longest Lash Mascara, and that one's got like peptides and stuff to help your lashes grow. So every other day I use that one, like regardless, and this is like the only one except for today that I've been alternating it with. So I don't know what it is, but it's fantastic, and I can't wait to find out what it is so that I can let y'all know, but it's great. I will always have this in my collection, whatever it is. So last but certainly not least, I picked up 2 of the Chantikai Lip Chics from the fall collection. I picked up the shade Prairie Smoke and Passiflora. So this is from like the Cougar collection, and this is from the Jaguar collection. And Chantikai Lip Chics are hands down one of my favorite lipstick formulas in existence, and these are no exception. So this is the shade Prairie Smoke, just a beautiful muted nude, and it leans like pretty neutral on my skin. Like it's not warm and it's not cool on my lips. It might look warm here. Like this is beautiful. I'm debating getting a backup. And then this is the shade Passiflora. It is more of a cool toned mauvey kind of color. I mean, they're really similar, but like I have a type, okay? So this one, the Passiflora, is definitely more cool, and as compared to the Passiflora, the Prairie Smoke is warmer, but I do consider the Prairie Smoke still like a neutral kind of color on my skin. It's your typical lip chic formula from Chantikai. I ended up not picking up either of the eyeshadow quads because I am going on a trip and I kind of wanted to save, and I just got this Mcgrath palette. So maybe I'll pick them up eventually if they're still available, but like if you're gonna pick up anything and you like these shades of lipstick, oh God, they're beautiful. I've been alternating wearing one or the other every day, or sometimes both, just depending on what kind of mood I'm in. This isn't what I have on my lips today, but they're beautiful. Chantikai Lip Chics, I mean, they have my heart in the lipstick world. They are just some of the absolute best. And like I said, these are no exception. So those are all of the products that I've been loving this month. Most of these are fairly new products. Well, the mascara, it's definitely new because it's not even in existence yet. But I have been really, really loving all of these products. So let me know in the comment section down below what products you've been loving this month. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram and TikTok now, it's at beautybykaylak on both of those. And I would love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.